Yeah, I accidentally hit the stop record button when I got into the Jeep right now, but I guess this will be part 2. I'll just add it on or something. I don't know. But let's cruise around. Right now they just cleaned this road, so it's pretty clean. But right here in my neighborhood, like, I make this left, it's not as clean. And there's been a lot of cars that have been stuck that I keep seeing, even like just like the trucks, just the back wheel drive trucks. I mean, I see them everywhere, just like stuck. And it's not even that bad, it's just that people panic and they don't know what to do in the snow. They forget how to drive in the snow. But I go through all this snow like nothing right now. So hopefully another foot comes down. I doubt it though. There was a guy that was stuck right here a little bit ago. I couldn't get through. This guy. And then there was another guy that made a left right here. That's my house right there in the corner. But right here he made a left right in front of where that truck is, and he went straight down to the park, and he was stuck there for a while. I had to go back there and chain him out. He's actually my neighbor. That's his little truck right there. And let me see. Let's drive down this way a little bit. There's really not that much action around the neighborhood. Just a few cars here and there. I don't see anything. This is where this intersection coming up is where the guy dropped dead. They got shot. Is there anything down there? No. Nope. Well, I'll just make another video if I end up pulling somebody, just for the hell of it. I'll post it up so you guys can see. Alright, you guys.